Hello, nice to see you here. If you want to know how to add table cell and style cell border in Google Docs, then keep on watching this video. Go to Insert, point your cursor to Table. You can go as few as 2 by 1 to 20 by 20. To adjust these properties for a table, highlight the portion you want to edit. If you want the color of right side different from the left side, then just highlight that part. Right-click the table and select Table Properties. Here, you can change table border color and width. Let's choose red and make it 2.25. There you go. Now, we'll select the cell background color. You may want to choose a color that's in contrast with the line, so the line will still be visible. Next is the cell vertical alignment. Next is table dimensions. You can check these boxes to specify a specific column width, minimum row height, and cell padding. And lastly, the table alignment. Choose if you want it left, centered, or right. You can edit the inches for left indent. Please note that changing some properties, for example, table border properties, affect your entire table, while others, for example, the cell background properties, it only affects selected cells of your table. With this feature, you can make your table stand out in Docs. Let us know how you get on. Do you style tables as well, or just leave it as is? Share it with us in the comment section below. For more Google Drive tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss out on our future uploads. Thanks, and see you on our next video.